delivery day. Where is the goddamn delivery man? Is the doorbell working? Alright. Did we type in the right address?
Ryan Little.
We hear the truck. Whoop, delivery man. What the? God damn kids. Think I just heard somebody pull up. Oh yeah. Why are they delivering shit in a budget truck? Yeah. I'm gonna let y'all see this. Oh, it's a lady too. There goes that.
I had to put it over the front because I stuff. No, not today.
Alright, gents. So this is here. Contrary to me being lazy, we're gonna be doing some of this. Then we're paying people to weld aluminum. And looks like it's gonna rain for 40 days and 40 nights, but that's going on. And this is here because I have it strapped up in here like it's a valuable asset. Welcome to the madness. We're gonna be doing things